Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So if you have any doubts or if you want some answers for some circumstances you are seeing today, you can watch that reading, guys. That may give you clarity. So let's start with these cards, Virgos. We have Six of Wands, Queen of Cups in reverse, and Ten of Cups. So, in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you feel really happy for the way things are going. You are happy about this relationship and you feel that you have won this person, you have won this love, and this person is someone you are deeply attracted to, and you never expected this person to reciprocate your love, but here they are in love with you and you are simply happy for the way things are going, guys. Happy for your circumstances, and even in your career, some success you have seen or some new beginning you are seeing in your life and you are happy for it and confident, cheerful about your circumstances. But Virgos, you should not forget the people who have helped you all along. So there are people who have helped you in your work to achieve this success today, and you should not forget their role, whatever they have done for you, guys. And maybe for some of you, in your work situation, maybe, or in your relationship, it may be with this person you love, you feel that they cannot be trusted completely. So they are maybe in your career, there may be people, guys, who are working with you and maybe they have helped you, but in your heart of hearts you may feel that they are holding some kind of grudge or some kind of jealousy or envy, because you are someone who is benefiting from the success and not them, and they may have some negative feelings towards you. So that is the reason we saw that you should share your happiness or this success with the people. So whatever rewards, if you share this success with them, they are going to feel happy just like you do today, guys. So you should not forget their work. And even in this relationship, guys, maybe with this person you love, they are someone who is really charming and attractive. They may have people interested in them and they are someone in a good place, good position, and maybe you do not feel so confident about yourself, but they are in love with you. So for some reason you may feel that it is not true, or it is not really true that they have this love on you and they are really loving to be with you. So you feel that they are here just for fun and not for commitment. So maybe for some of you, though you are in relationship with this person, you do not have that complete trust on this person, guys. Maybe. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is star here, guys. So with this card, you are having high hopes. You are hoping that relationship will move towards a positive thing for you guys. Maybe for some of you it may go there, but you need to be really honest with this person. So whatever you feel, maybe you lack confidence in them or you feel that you cannot trust them, you need to voice it out, guys. You have to go for that open heart communication with this person if you want this relationship to work. But if you do not do that, if you don't speak the truth, you are going to see some kind of division happening in this love because of the lack of trust you have on this person, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Three of Pentacles. So looks like there are people helping you and guiding you in your work situation. You have teamwork going on. So that is what we saw with the previous cards also, guys. So you must be able to appreciate others' skills and talents, people who work for you and people who help you in your success. And maybe you are doing that. That is the reason we see happiness, success and satisfaction in your career situation, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we will see what it is. For those who chose this first card, we have Dawn, the golden hat. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are making a lot of efforts and it is something difficult, but you are someone dedicated and devoted, and your devotion and dedication is bringing you the rewards, guys, and very soon. So some of us may feel that we do so much but the returns are not good. We work so hard but what we get is nothing matching to what we did. But you need to understand that hard work will never go for waste, guys, and patience is what is called for today in your circumstances. So you are going to be really recognized for your devotion and dedication and true love. If you have true love on this person and if they also have true love, so whatever obstacles you are facing, you both are facing today in your love situation is coming to an end, guys, and your good work or your good deeds will always be rewarded. You can have trust on that, guys. You can be rest assured. So whatever you do, whatever good things you do will always be rewarded, and whatever you do, being responsible, devoted, dedicated, in your work or in your personal life, your dedication is going to change your circumstances. Maybe it will change even the difficult circumstances into something beautiful. So things will change around if you have positive intentions and if you do your duty with that patience and with that conviction and devotion. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So good things are coming towards you, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have an angel card, guys. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are here with us, guiding us today in our day-to-day activities. So with this card, it just means that we are not aware of beauty or happiness in our circumstances, guys. So this angel card is about that. It helps us to find joy in our own circumstances, seeing the beauty of the world around us. And beauty is is a unique form of creative expression, guys. So maybe sometimes we are often so busy, or we see so much ugliness and sadness in our world around us, around the people we meet, or in the experiences that come to our life. We rarely appreciate, or we rarely pause to see the things that are beautiful in our situation. Maybe the in our day-to-day struggles, or in our anxiety or stress, we often lose that awareness to see our circumstances and see where we are and appreciate the things that we have. So it may be a child's smiling face, or a butterfly fluttering around, whatever it is, or a tree moving in that mild wind. So whatever it is, things of beauty around us, the nature we have around us, we rarely appreciate all those things, guys. So when we do that, when we appreciate this beauty around us, it simply inspires us, makes us refreshed, and it gives us inspiration and that positive energy. So lack of inspiration is the reason for our situation, guys. We feel lot stressed, and we feel cornered, or we feel let down in some ways. So inspiration is the key thing needed in our day-to-day life. So this card stands for that, and it stands for getting inspired with our surroundings. So this angel card assists us in that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So it simply opens us. When we feel inspired, we are open to new ideas and opportunities in our life. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, with these cards. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.